In this video, we will talk about signing up for MyMathLab and taking the Chapter 2 diagnostic test. First, go to mymathlab.com. Under Register Now, click on Student. You'll need to scroll down and click on OK to register now. For the course ID, you will need the course ID that was included in your welcome email. Once again, for the course ID, you will need the course ID that was included in your welcome email. For the sake of this video, I'm going to use an old course ID, but once again, this is not the correct one for you, so don't use this one. Click on Continue. If you have an old Pearson account, you can log in using your username and password. If you don't have an old Pearson account, you can create an account. If you forgot your username or password, you can click on this link. Since I have an old Pearson account, I'm going to use it to log in. On the next screen, you'll be given two options to either pay using a credit card or PayPal or get temporary access for 14 days. I recommend getting the temporary access for 14 days for now. So if you want to pay for it, you can. Otherwise, click on this link that says get temporary access for 14 days. Once you're at the link, you will be able to sign into your course. Your course will look something like this. On the left side of your course home, you will see that there's a little tab called Quizzes and Tests. Click on Quizzes and Tests, and the first thing you should see is a Chapter 2 diagnostic. Click on that. Scroll down. Yours will say Start the test. Mine says Finish the test because I already started it. So click on Start the test. Now remember, the Chapter 2 diagnostic does not count against you. However, whatever you get right on this diagnostic will be removed from your homework assignments. If you know how to do the problem, then please do it. If you don't know how to do the problem, then just click on 0 or click on some random answer and go to the next one. Once you're finished, click on Submit your quiz. If you have any questions, feel free to send me an email.